ayuda aktor na si Donnie Pangilinan nag-upload sa Instagram ng isang video clip kung saan makikita ang kanilang pagduet sa kanta na For Your Eyes Only ng aktres na si Bel Mariano mula sa Believe concert. Trip down memory lane, sulat ni Donnie sa kanyang post kung saan nagsimula yung relationship nila ay Don Bel Bongga. Umani nga ng positibong reaksyon sa mga netizen. Komento nga ni Direk May Cruz Alviar, sad I miss this. Say naman ni Raho Serrano, I'm so proud of you both. Komento naman ni Jasmine Ju, I cried while watching this live because I was immensely proud of you, both of you. You've come a long way since I first saw and watched you. I'm excited to see more Donnie and Bel Mariano. Say naman ni Queenie, ito yung love team ang couple na magandang example sa kabataan. Yung grabe yung support system nila sa mga talent nila. Hindi yung puro harutan sa camera para lang magampanan ang word na love team. Sabi naman ni And Love is Colorblind holds a very special place in my heart. I witnessed during that era how lucky and private DV were, and hearing them sing their favorite song For Your Eyes Only again made my 2021 heart feel bubbly. Thank you Donnie and Bel for existing. Little did you know that you are my unpaid therapies. Komento naman ni Christine Jamaica, ito talaga yung pinost niya kasi love is colorblind era is their courtship era. Remember Bel's interview with Meme Vice? Donnie always write letters for her and sinushoot lang sa ilalim ng door niya during their movie shoot.